Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now in today's class we will discuss here about the resolving power of telescope. In previous lecture we have discussed about the resolving power of microscope. So now we are discussing about the resolving power of telescope. Okay. So see here the diagram which represents the resolving power of the telescope. How we can see that? Here the objective lens is shown here, from where we can get the light from the infinity, and it is collimated at, or it is convergent at a single point, and we'll get here image as AB, and we can observe from the eyepiece. So the distances as shown here. The angular resolution of telescope, now we can define it. It is given by R is equals to lambda by D, where R resulting R in radians. So here angular resolution can be given as lambda by T, and it is measured in radians. Sources which are larger than the angular resolutions are called extended sources, and the smaller sources are called as point sources. Angular resolution पेक्षा जर sources मोठे असेल तर extended sources म्हणतात, लहान असेल तर point sources म्हणतात. The resolving power of a telescope is the reciprocal of smallest angular separation between two distant objects. So here we have to take the reciprocal of the angular separation, and angular separation can be given as d theta is equals to 1.22 lambda divided by a. So let's discuss in detail about this. If Airy's theory is applied to Fraunhofer diffraction of a pair of point object, the path difference between the extreme rays at the first dark ring is given by 1.22 lambda. So path difference, it is 1.22 lambda. If D is the aperture of the telescope, diameter AB of the objective, so we can get here BI dash minus AI dash, that means it is the path difference, it is D into theta, which is given as 1.22 lambda. So from that theta can be calculated as angular separation, that is 1.22 lambda divided by D. And according to definition, what is resolving power? 1 upon angular separation. So R is equals to 1 upon theta. So we are getting here D divided by 1.22 lambda. Where what is D? D is aperture, and lambda, it is the wavelength of the wave. Thus, to increase the resolving power of a telescope, its objective should be as large as possible. Means its aperture should be as large as possible. Then we are getting the large resolving power, R directly proportional to D. So this is about the resolving power of a telescope. Hope you understand this. If you have any doubt regarding this, please comment here, like our videos, share it, and subscribe our channel.